Okay, the reason I chose Forest House is that I've been coming here for a long while, and I had an extraction something like 15 months ago, and it became apparent after that extraction that I needed some fairly significant implant surgery. So Adam Patel was recommended to me as someone who could carry that treatment out. I had a consultation with him, which I found to be incredibly helpful. I mean, he set out in some detail verbally exactly how the process was going to take place, how long it was going to take, and sort of roughly how much it was going to cost. Then, even more helpfully, he actually set all that down in writing so I could consider it, and then came back for what was in effect a second consultation, at which point I was able to ask questions, sort of talk it through with him, understand exactly how it would work from a sort of costing point of view, from a timescale point of view, and then we set off on the process, which took something probably over a year, but I understood that in the first place. And throughout that process, the whole practice, I mean, Adam and everyone here at Forest House were nothing short of professional, considered, and I think always put the patient first. So at no point through the whole series of procedures did I ever feel I wasn't informed and understood what was going on. The whole practice is incredibly helpful, and I've always felt that ever since I've been coming here. I think the other important thing maybe to stress is that the whole process was completely pain-free. And I think when you embark on something like this, you're always concerned about, how painful it might be. It's obviously a lot of dental work, and not many people like the dentist. I found it absolutely, completely satisfactory. And the other thing that was helpful was that Adam enabled me to fit the timescales into my own lifestyle, so that, if I was on holiday and it needed to wait for a few weeks before the next sort of section of treatment, I was able to do that. Again, very helpful. And now I've sort of completely finished the treatment, and everything is fine. It's given me more confidence. I feel happier about eating on both sides of my mouth, things that I probably haven't been able to do for a good few years now. And all in all, I would unhesitatingly recommend the practice to anyone who feels they need to go through this sort of treatment.